Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AI thumbnail. So first go to prompthero.com and select the ones you want. I already selected this one. I'm just going to select this too. Just click on it and press the copy on the prompt here. So I added that both to ChatGPT. And then I'm just going to also type this in. Mix these two prompts and create a new prompt for a thumbnail about Google AI, for instance. And here is the prompt. Then we are going to bring it first to Whisk. We're just going to add this in first, and we're going to let it generate. Once it's done, you are going to save the image first on whichever one you want. I'm just going to also do the landscape one. I forgot to mention that. I'm just going to select this one. Whoops. And then I will go to Google AI Studio and we're going to bring the image in. And we're going to also add this prompt to it. Hold on. Why can't I? Oh, there we go. Based on this image, give me a professional prompt to create a thumbnail for YouTube with the following title, Google AI. You're then going to run the prompt here. Just it's considering the elements for it. Okay, so there's prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3. I think we're going to do the navigating the new frontier one. Oh, I'm just going to do that. And we're just going to copy it and we're going to paste it back to Whisk. And then we're going to enter it again. I think I should have added the image just now. Whoops. Oh, never mind. It does just get added by itself. Actually, no, I do have to add the image again. Hold on. Just press enter again. And that is basically it for this video. It's still generating, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.